Introduce yourself to the people, for those who don't know who you are.
So I'm gonna change it up a little bit.
Stand up, brother. Can y'all turn up Jullien's mic, please?
I'm gonna change it up a little bit. You know, we've been talking about changing the conversation, so we all have different learning styles. So I'm gonna change the conversation style right now. I'm gonna open up a little poem for y'all. It's gonna set the stage for the conversation.
Woo!
Why don't we hack houses like frat houses, where everyone living good for just a few thousand? Some will say it's lousy while they slaving proudly, spending 1/3 of their revenue to pay for housing. Living on your own, but you don't own. Can't even get a loan, student debt is a bitch. Thinking a high wage is the way to get rich, not if your cost of living rise directly with it. Trying to keep up with the Joneses, deep in debt till you croak. I'm gonna live just like the Jeffersons, pretend that I'm broke. Then I'll buy a multifamily, let the rents pay the note. Perhaps you could be my tenant, yo, that would be dope. I keep my cost of living low along with my blood pressure, cause if you always stressing, it's hard to enjoy pleasure. The man with the most is not the one who wins the race, it's the man with his soul who could look at his own face. 40 acres and a mule is what they taught us in school. I'd rather have 40 apartments and a big money pool. Leverage credit to capital and capital to cash flow. Cash is not king because the interest too low.
Woo! Woo! Where's the wand, Kiana? Where's the wand?
I heard of him. I feel like I need to be a background dancer or something, do a little harmony.
Some call me a do-gooder. I got good deeds in my name. As a lord of my land, I'll never be a slave. You can invest in what's hot, lose your shirt and your socks, but the demand for housing will never ever stop. Assets, assets, assets. Passive, passive, passive. These are the two keys to amass wealth quick. But quick is really relative. It's the long-term game. Who you hustling for, your first or your last name?
Whoa, hold on. Y'all gotta stand up for my man Jullien Gordon, who came out here. That was an intro of InvestFest. Woo!
High family movement.
Gems.
He said he was coming outside.
That was beautiful, Jullien. Goodness gracious.
My name is Jullien Gordon. I am Mr. Multifamily. I'm leader of the multifamily movement. I'm the Harriet Tubman of the Above Ground Railroad, and I've helped hundreds of students close on $50 million worth of real estate in the past 2 years. That's what it is.
Woo. Yo! InvestFest.